Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about the code to check whether the given word is palindrome or not, and we discussed about Python ideally. In this video, we are going to discuss about list and some methods associated with list. Okay, so get into the video. In a variable, we can store one value, right? For example, I will show you my sublime. I am going to open my sublime. For example, variable name, we can store name of person, right? Like basha. Okay. For example, in the name, in the variable age, we can store age of a person. For example, like this, 20. Okay. What if we want to store multiple values? Like for example, marks of a student. For example, there are 6 subjects for a student and got marks in the subjects like this. Marks of a student, we need 6 variables. For suppose there are 20 students, we need 120 variables, right? For suppose there are 100 students, then we need 600 variables. This is a big number, right? So the complexity of the code increases and time taken to execute the code or time taken to write the code also increases. Okay, as a programmers, we need to decrease them. So to do that, there are 4 data types provided by Python. They are list, tuple, set, dictionary. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about list. List is used to store multiple values. For example, here to store the marks of a student, we use 6 variables, right? In list, we store all the 6 in one list, right? List. So name of the list, marks, and to create list in Python, that's simple. Insert data between square brackets. We use square brackets. Between the square brackets, we insert whatever data we want. Now we want marks, right? 78, 76. 90, 85, 65 and 62 like this, right? Print list, print and name of the list, marks. If we run this, Control B, see our list is printed, okay? List need not to be homogeneous always, which makes it a most powerful tool in Python. This means list contain data types like integers, floats and strings, okay? Let me show this with example, like take a list student. In the student list, take name of the student as basha and age of student and percent of student. It's 1.2. So in the student list we have basha name, which is string, and age, which is age 20, which is a integer int, and percentage is 7.2, which is a float. So list need not to be homogeneous always. Let me print this. Print student. Name of the list. If we run this, see our list is printed. Okay. Lists are mutable, hence they can be altered after their creation. Okay. First I want to tell about one thing. To know the size of list, we use len method here. Okay, let me show that. Print len. Name of the list, student, see 3. The size of list is 3. So the size of list, we use len method. If you remember, we already know the len method. In strings we use the len method to know the length of the string. Same here, to know the size of list, we use len method. Okay. Now I already told you lists are mutable, hence they can be altered after the creation. So to do that, there are 3 methods. There are append method, insert method and extend method. Now here we will discuss one by one. Okay. First, append method. To add elements to the list, we use this append method. So let me explain with example. Let me take a list L1 variables 10, 20, 30 and 40, right? In this, by using this append method, only one element at a time can be added. So after creating list, we recognize that we forgot to add 50 at the end. So by using this append method, we can do that. L1.append, right? L1.append, what we forgot? 50. Then if we print the list, print L1, now we got 50 at the end of the list. If we print L1 before this append method, we got only 40 until 40 only. If we append that, the element will be appended at the end. Okay. By using this append method, only one element at a time can be added. The element will be added at the end of the list. Okay. Let me show you another example. Let me take a list L1 with names as Basha, Ram, and Steve. Let me print this first. Print L1. Okay, see, print the list. But now we realize that we want to add one more name. So we use this append method L1 dot append, and we want to add here the name was. Okay, run this. See, the was at the end of the list. Okay, next insert method. We can also use insert method to add elements. Append method only works for addition of elements at the end of the list. For addition of elements at desired position, we need insert method. By using insert method, we can add elements at our desired position. Okay, insert method. Let me show with the example. Let me take the same example L1 having names, but this time we want to add the name was at the second index position. So now we need insert method. And insert method take two parameters. First parameter is position, second parameter is the value. First parameter position, at what index we want to add element. Second parameter is value, what element we want to add at that position. See, first is position, right? So second position, and the value is was the string, right? Print this, print L1. See, at the second position the name was added. Let me show this with another example. Let me take a list of ages with the value 40, 45, 43, 32 and 47. Okay, now we want to add another age at index 0 position. We want to add another age, so we do that by using append method ages dot we can do that by using this insert method. Insert position 0th index, and the value is 56. See, sorry, I forgot to print that. Print ages. See, at the position the fix is added. Okay, we can also use extend method to add elements at the end of the list, but by using this extend method we can add multiple values. See, L1, our list having values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, right? And we print the list, print L1. See, I'm on this. See our list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But after that we realize that we want to add 6, 7, 8 also. By using append method, we can add them at the end of the list like this, like 6, and I'm cutting this and I'll put multiple times 1, 8 and 7. We can do like this. See, our task is complete. 6, 7, 8 is added at the end of the list, but it takes 3 lines of code. By using extend method, we can do in one line. To that, let me show that. L1.extend. Here we can add multiple values 6, 7, 8, right? Run this. See, 6, 7, 8 is at the end of the list. By using the append method, we can add only one element at a time. By using extend method, we can add multiple elements. But by using append method or extend method, we can add the elements at the end of the list only. Okay, we can add another list also. Let me show you another example to understand it clear. We take a list L1, values like 9, 8, 7 and 6. We have the list L2 with values like 1, 2, 3 and 4. To combine this list, I use this extend method like this, L1 dot extend and here L2. Print the L1. See, the L2 elements also added at the end of the list, right? So in this video we discuss about len method and the methods which are used to alter the list after the creation, as append method, extend method and insert method. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.